the escalations surrounding KK Mart and that story. And we're asking you what needs to happen for tensions to cool. What can we do to build bridges?
I think it's important for Malaysian leaders to step up, come together and actually cool down the situation, right? To be able to talk sensibly and really promote the narrative of peace and assure that, accountability will be taken and show that accountability has already been taken, that whoever's responsible will be held accountable. And then when it comes to the media as well, right, the media should also be wary about coming up with sensationalist headlines and really over prolonging this whole issue. Right, but essentially the media is responding to us, fellow Malaysians and citizens who are consuming the media, right, and how we are reacting to it because of the dynamics of the social media nowadays. Sensationalism sells, right, and we can't deny it. So it's important for us, fellow Malaysians, especially those who believe in peace, harmony, right, to speak up. And continue living life, not acting out of fear, frustration, anger, and to continue promoting and living in peace, harmony, trust and understanding with one another. I believe, Malaysia is such a beautiful country with a melting pot of cultures and different beliefs, and we can be the beacon of harmony in our world, right? To be a leader in that. So, and it all comes down to every single one of us. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ching. I think that might, in fact, be the best note to end on. We've been talking today about cooling tensions and rebuilding bridges in light of the developments surrounding KK Mart.